Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope students you are doing good. Chapter 15 sampling distribution is under discussion today, lecture number 18, and the fifth topic of this chapter is sampling distribution of biased sample variance S square and unbiased sample variance small s square. In this lecture, students, I will discuss only notations, formulas and verifications formulas for the topic sampling distribution of biased or unbiased sample variance. Now students, kindly subscribe to my channel and give your feedback. Let's start the topic sampling distribution of biased or unbiased sample variances. In the contents of this lectures, the first point will be sampling distribution of biased or unbiased sample variances. In the second point, I will discuss formation of sampling distribution of biased or unbiased variances. Third point is population and sample notations and formulas. In the fourth point, I will discuss means formulas for sampling distribution of biased or unbiased variances. And in the last point, I will discuss the verification formulas for sampling distribution of biased or unbiased variances. These are the 5 points I will discuss in this lecture. Now in the first point, I will discuss the brief introduction about sampling distribution of biased sample variances or unbiased sample variances. The value of statistics that are biased or unbiased sample variances varies from one sample to another even if the samples are selected by the same procedure from the same population. Thus, the statistic biased variances S square or unbiased sample variances small s square is a random variable. The distribution or probability distribution of a statistic is called sampling distribution of biased sample variances S square or unbiased sample variances small s square. In this situation, first of all, students, we will find the sample variances of each samples, and these variances are called random variable. Now we make the distribution or probability distribution of these random variable is called sampling distribution of the S square biased sample variance or unbiased sample variance small s square. Now in the second point, I will discuss formation of sampling distribution of biased variance or unbiased variance. Steps involved in formation of sampling distribution of biased or unbiased sample variances by sampling with replacement or without replacement using sample size n as. In the first step, make all possible samples of size n by sampling with replacement using formula capital N power small n or without replacement using formula NCN from the given population. Then find the biased or unbiased sample variances of each samples. In the second point or in the second step, prepare the sampling distribution of the biased sample variance S square or unbiased sample variances as small s square as we have to find in step 1. Then find its means of the sampling distribution of S square or small s square. In the third point or in the third step, compute the population variances sigma square of the given population values. And in the last point, verify the result using verifications formulas. And these are the 4 steps to make the sampling distribution of the biased variances or unbiased sample variances. The third point is population and sample discussed with notations and formulas. First of all, I will discuss population notations and formulas. Here, population size is denoted by capital N, and first is population mean. Population mean is denoted by mu, which is equal to summation x over capital N. That is the formula for population mean. And population variance is denoted by sigma square, and its basic definition formula is that summation x minus mu ka whole square over capital N, and its short form is summation x square over n minus summation x over n ka whole square. That is the formula for population variance. On the right hand side, I will discuss sample notations and formulas. Sample size is denoted by small n, and sample mean is equal to x bar equal to summation x over small n. And there are the 2 sample variances. First one is the biased sample variance, and biased sample variance is that summation which is denoted by s square, capital S square, or summation x minus x bar whole square over sample size small n, and its short form is that summation x square over n minus summation x over n ka whole square. This is the variance of biased sample variance. And unbiased sample variance is denoted by small s square, and it is equal to summation x minus x bar का whole square over n minus 1. डिनोमिनेटर में हम इसको n minus 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, and its short form is that 1 over n minus 1 bracket summation x square minus summation x का whole square over n. तो हमारे पास 2 तरह के वेरिएंसेस हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द biased sample variance, which is denoted by capital S square, and it is divided by small n. And other variance is that unbiased sample variance, which is denoted by small s square, and it is divided by n minus 1. That is the difference of both the variances. Normally, for small sample size, we use unbiased sample variance, which is small s square. Now the next point is mean formulas for the sampling distribution of the biased sample variance or unbiased sample variance. Now the mean formula for sampling distribution of biased sample variance S square is denoted by mu S square equal to expected value of S square, which is equal to summation S square dot f of S square. S square को उसकी relative frequency f of S square से multiply करेंगे. That is the formula for mean of sampling distribution of S square. And the mean formula for sampling distribution of unbiased variance small s square is that, which is denoted by mu of s square, expected value of s square, now open as summation s square dot f of s square. इसको भी इसकी relative frequency के साथ multiply कर देंगे. That is the formula for mean of small s square, now unbiased sample variance. In the last point, I will discuss verification formulas for sampling distribution of biased variance S square or unbiased variance small s square. First verification of biased sample variance S square or unbiased sample variance small s square for sampling with replacement is expected value of capital S square, which is also denoted by mu S square, equal to n माइनस 1 न्यूमिनेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में n से डिवाइड कर देंगे सैंपल साइज और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वेरिएंस सिग्मा स्क्वायर से. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वेरिफिकेशन फॉर बायस्ड सैंपल वेरिएंस कैपिटल S square, and the unbiased sample variance mu of S square is equal to expected value of S square is exactly equal to sigma square population variance के बराबर होगी इसकी वेरिफिकेशन exactly. Or for the verification for biased sample variance and unbiased sample variance small s square for sampling without replacement is expected value of S square capital S square, which is equal to n over capital N minus 1 multiply करेंगे small n minus 1 divided by n और इसको होल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वेरिएंस सिग्मा स्क्वायर से. दिस इज द verification for sampling without replacement for capital S square biased sample variance. And for the small variance sample variance unbiased sample variance S square equal to expected value of S square equal to capital N minus 1 न्यूमिनेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में डिवाइड करेंगे कैपिटल N से और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पॉपुलेशन वेरिएंस सिग्मा स्क्वायर से. देन आपके पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड जो है वो बराबर होगी. तो दीज आर द वेरिफिकेशंस फॉर्मूलाज फॉर सैम्पलिंग विद रिप्लेसमेंट and for sampling without replacement of the both variances biased or unbiased variance. In this lecture, all types of notations, formulas and verification formulas are discussed in making the sampling distribution of biased or unbiased sample variance. इंशाल्लाह स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. अपना ख्याल रखें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अपना फीडबैक जरूर दें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज, थैंक यू.